My name is Pedro. And I was taking a walk one day. And then I saw this little girl. And guess what? I peed on her shoe. And then after that, I was really emotional.
Oh, I was like, what's that wet stuff?
And then I saw the tear! Ah!
Where's a lot of bubbles? When I was little, I wanted a bubble.
But you know what? I was really embarrassed, so I pretended it wasn't me.
Honey, I shrunk the kid. Maybe I'll have a bubble machine at my table. No, I want that at my
And then I got a little hairball.
Mom.
And then, oh my
friend.
Oh my god!
Don't watch how she's doing it. What not for?
Oh wow! And
My friend,
just so many things happened today. I don't even understand what's going on. I'm getting really emotional right now, and it's just really hard on myself.
You photo booth.
You know what?
Alfred asked me how much this is.
I'm okay now. I'm okay. I love you.